Hey guys, Chris Camara here. Got another video. This time we have a 2-pack of belts for this. Whoa! For this steam cleaner here. It's for the Hoover Dual Power carpet washer. The model number, there's this thing, is going to be FH50900. Style number 29. So this is what happened. The old one here got a little warm and melted somehow. I don't know. So it's a 2-pack of new ones. I'm going to show you how to put it back together. Alright, so first thing you're going to do is grab yourself a screwdriver. This one's a Phillips. And you might need one with a flat tip on it to pry the stuff apart. So you're going to start by, you probably don't need to take all these screws apart all throughout this thing, but you have to get this piece off here. So like it shows here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I think there's one, my hand is, and 6. That's all you need to do. Oh, never mind, there's one right there. And that's 7. Instead of taking the whole thing apart, but learn as we go. So you're gonna take all these screws out and pull this apart. And well, my belt actually just fell right off. But I'll try to do this with one hand here. Give me a second. All right. So you're gonna start prying these little things off, the pulleys off. There you go. You're gonna stick your belt behind this one. Make sure it's clipped in there. Same thing with this one. You're gonna go behind it. Make sure it's laying flat. And you turn this till you hear it click back in. Then you stretch it. You can see that right around that. That doesn't look right, but I don't know why. So let me check something really quick. All right, so you're gonna make sure this belt is in the middle of these pulleys here. You're gonna move it around a little bit, spin it around until you get it in the middle, and then it goes around this. You're gonna have to stretch it, put it over this little pin here. If you can see that. So you're gonna pull it over like that. Stick that back in there. Then you're gonna take your thing here, the big wheel, and you're gonna go, it should just go like that without falling off. You have to push a little bit, like that. Then you're gonna take your screws, which I'm not really sure. Well, let's see. I'm guessing it's gonna be, you can see this, the difference between these two. It's gonna be this one here, not this one. So there's gonna be 7. I'll put this back on there. Trying to do this with my left hand is a little difficult, but we'll make it work. So you should go backwards. So from 7 over here. You can see this still. Well, that should do it. So that's how you take and change your belt on this Hoover Dual Power, Dual Spin Power Brushes Steam Cleaner. Come back for another video. Like and subscribe. Chris Camaro signing off.